Hey y'all, it's time to see what kind of trouble I can get into again. I've got a cup with a ton of leftover paints in it. There's Arteza and Folk Art and Craft Smart brands. I know there's some blue, red, gold, not teal, aqua. I think there's some gray. I don't know, but that's what our cup looks like. And I thought I was going to do a flip cup, but I don't, yeah, I think I am. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do that or a tree ring, but I'll do the flip. So we will just let that sit for just a minute. Okay, that should be enough time. Oh, lots of paint. But I do have, oh look at that. I do have an old cutting board underneath. So hopefully that'll catch some of the runoff and make it easier for me to make skins out of it. Let's just wiggle this around and we'll see what happens. There's a lot of pink there. Y'all know I love my pink. Let's slide it back a little. And I can see the cells just growing, especially over in this area. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on a time lapse and we will see what it looks like in about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been actually only about 4 minutes, and just look at these cells, how they have just exploded on the canvas. Well, of course they're on the canvas because that's what I poured it onto. Where else are they going to explode to? Yeah, okay. These little bitty, and there is no silicone in this. I've got all those and all these little ones up here. Some of them almost look like like human, I guess human cells or plant cells or whatever when they separate and grow into more. But got a lot of that. And then this big, huge cloud. Yeah, I like this area though. And you know I like the pink. Overall, I'm not sure that I like it though, because I'm not a humongous fan of a lot of cells usually. But yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Tell me in the description, or not in the description. Tell me in the comments if you think I should hang on to it or if I should pour over it, because I'm not sure what I think about it. Okay, anyway, have a good day and take care, y'all.